Number 1. Eggs keep you full and help with weight loss. These two are connected. One of the characteristics of foods that satiate hunger is that they're rich in protein. A large egg contains about 6 grams of high-quality protein, which may help you eat less for several hours after a meal. As a result, this helps you lose weight because you're satiated and can avoid impromptu trips to the fridge when you're feeling hungry. No offense to bagel lovers, but a study showed that an egg breakfast enhances weight loss more than a bagel breakfast. Number 2. Eggs keep your bones healthy. A study conducted by the Department of Food and Technology at Hansio University suggests that by now famous egg yolks improve bone metabolism and prevent the risk of osteoporosis. Also, whole eggs contain vitamin D to protect your bones, phosphorus to keep your bones healthy, and calcium to improve the density of your bones. Number 3. Eggs improve eye health. After this, you'll see egg yolks in a new and positive light. Egg yolks contain lutein, which helps reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. They also contain zeaxanthin, which protects you from the sun's harmful UV rays. Moreover, according to the Egg Nutrition Council, yes, the council has spoken, eggs can protect your eyes from retinal damage because they contain omega-3 fatty acids. Did we miss any other important details? Oh yes! Eggs are loaded with vitamin A, which protects your cornea, and zinc, which improves the health of your retina and helps you see better at night. Number 4. Eggs prevent iron deficiency. What is iron deficiency, and what does it do to your body? This occurs when you don't have enough iron in your body, and low iron levels can lead to equally low red blood cells. Iron is needed to produce hemoglobin, the part of red blood cells that carries oxygen throughout the body. How can you maintain the right amount of iron? Eat eggs. Yes, they're a source of iron. Number 5. Eggs help with brain development in infants and fetus. Eggs aren't only good for adults, but for infants and even fetus. The choline in eggs is beneficial for fetal brain development. The yolks can also help to prevent birth defects during pregnancy. Vitamin B is important for the development of the spinal cord and fetal nervous system. It also helps prevent breast cancer, according to a study. So eggs are essential food for the brain.